Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how to solve error. The system administrator has set policies to prevent this installation when you try to install any file or Windows 10 or 11. So click on search and look for regedit. Yeah, yeah. Okay, open it. Okay, now once you are here you can copy this file path. I will be posting it on the description. Copy, and if you don't see the address bar you can click on view and select it. Yeah, and paste the file path on the address bar. Hit enter and it will take you to Windows folder. And once you are on the Windows folder, look for a file name installer. Okay, right click on it and delete that file. Select yes. Okay, now we will be creating a new folder, a new key with the same name. Right click on Windows and select new key, and we'll put it as installer. Okay, now click on installer, the same folder which we just created. Okay, and over here you need to, yeah, we'll create a file named DisableMSI. Copy, and over here right click new and select the word 32-bit value. Paste it. Okay, and we'll keep the value data to 0. Select OK. You can close the registry editor now and restart your system once, and you shouldn't be facing that error message again. Yeah.